Today's topic is how to make a fresh potato last longer. Okay, I bought organic potatoes. Peel off. I'm going to make a vacuum seal. I usually make a little bit longer, then I can reuse it. I don't have to throw it out every single time. Only throw it out vacuum seals with meat or any oils, then throw it out. The potatoes, the onions, like any vegetables, I reuse it. So cut it a little bit longer. Okay, so this is I just packed fresh potato, organic fresh potato. This is our organic red onion. This is organic white onions. And this one is organic small mini potatoes. So right after food shopping, clean them up and then vacuum seal and then write it down. Today's a date and then put in the refrigerator. It lasts like a month. When you open the seals, you can see how fresh they are. So, enjoy!